Hi, Mark here. It is Wednesday, July the 9th, just after 9 a.m. Eastern. That's just after 1 p.m. GMT. US session underway. And let's have a look how the US dollar is performing. Certainly started strong during the Asian European session, strong US dollar, but now that the US session's underway, as we have seen kind of regularly over the past few weeks, a turnaround once the US session gets underway from strong US dollar to weak US dollar. So here you can see resistance at 97.39. There's the wickets left behind. That's selling the US dollar index down to support at 97.13. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see strong US dollar to start. Here's the seller for now, sitting at 97.19. Continuation of dollar weakness will be a test of support down here at 97.13. If US dollar can regain its footing, resistance at 97.40 up here higher. Let's have a look how the majors are performing, starting with the euro. I'm on the daily. So there you can see to start with, red candlestick down to support at 116.89. And now euro fighting back that US dollar weakness back up to pretty much where it closed yesterday. Let's zoom in on the hourly. And there you can see that is selling euro, buying US dollar strength. Here's the turnaround. There's the big green candle. And buyers of euro will be looking up at 117.28 resistance. Sellers of euro, buyers of US, looking down here at 116.89. Let's have a look at the pound. Sure, a similar pattern. There you can see on the daily. There's the open price, 135.84. Selling pound, buying US down to support at 135.64. And then pound bouncing back, buying pound, selling US, and testing resistance right now at $1.3610. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see the pound fighting back, buying pounds, selling US, sitting and testing resistance right now at 136.10. Buyers will look for test of this like we're seeing, and a break above and higher than the $1.36. Sellers of pound, buyers of US will look for a turnaround and a bounce down to support at 135.64. Let's have a look at the US dollar yen. Closed yesterday at 146.51, gapped higher to start, opened at 146.87, and then went even higher. That's buying US, selling yen, up to resistance at 147.21, and then a turnaround, selling US, buying yen, and coming down and breaking below that support level right now at 146.38. You'll see how strong the push lower is. If I go to the hourly, there you can see selling US, buying yen, US dollar weakness has tested and broken below support and now sitting at 146.39. Let's have a look at the US dollar Canadian. I'm on the daily. There you can see there's yesterday's close at $1.3660, gapped higher to open. That's US dollar strength. To the open was 136.68, went all the way up US dollar to $1.3709, has given up a lot of those gains already and sitting right now at 136.85, just below the 137 level. Let's have a look on the hourly. There you can see US dollar strength to start. Here's the turnaround, selling US, buying Canadian, resistance 137.09. Sellers of US, buyers of Canadian, looking down at the 136.64 support level. So US dollar strength to start, as we've become accustomed to seeing during the Asian European session, and now US dollar giving up those gains. We'll see how that plays out during the US session. Good trading, and I'll see you at the end of day.